Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make a bed. This one is fairly quick to make and also requires no sewing. We're going to start with a magic ring. We're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. Slide the hook underneath the first one and hook into the second one. Then finish with a chain. And that is a magic ring. Next, we're going to make a single crochet. So we're going to insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. That is one single crochet. Since we need 6 single crochet for the first round, we're going to make 5 more. Once you have 6 single crochet, you can pull the yarn to close the ring. And for the second round, we're going to make increase. And for increase, we have to make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So we're going to make a single crochet first. Then still on the same stitch, we are going to make another single crochet. And that is an increase, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. And for this round, we are going to make an increase for each stitch. For round 3, we are going to start with a single crochet. Then we are going to make an increase on the next stitch. And we can just repeat this pattern, a single crochet and an increase, until we reach the end of the round. We are going to start round 4 with 2 single crochet. Then we are going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round, 2 single crochet and an increase. We're going to continue with this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Continue into the next round. For round 5 until round 8, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. We're going to continue into round 9, and for this round, we are going to make an increase for each stitch. Continue into round 10. We are going to start the round with 7 single crochet. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And we can just repeat the pattern 7 single crochet and an increase until we reach the end of the round. For round 11, we are going to start with 8 single crochet. And then on the next stitch, we are going to make an increase. And we are going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the round. For round 12, we are going to start with 9 single crochet. And then on the next stitch, we are going to make an increase. And we are going to repeat this pattern until the end of the round. And then for round 13, we are going to start with a chain. Then we are going to fold it into half, like so. And we are going to sew the opening by crochet them together. So we're going to insert the hook into the stitch. And we're also going to insert the hook into the stitch that is on the opposite side. And we are going to make a slip stitch. We are going to make 3 more slip stitch. Next, we're going to make a double crochet increase. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into both stitch, yarn over and pull the yarn out. There will be 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull it through the first and the second loop, yarn over again and pull it through the loops. That is 1 double crochet. We are going to make another double crochet still on the same stitch. And we can just repeat the pattern. So we're going to make 4 slip stitches. Then we're going to make a double crochet increase on the next stitch. We can repeat the same pattern, but before sewing it close, we are going to insert the stuffing. By the time you are finished with the last double crochet increase, there will be a few stitches left, and we are going to make 2 slip stitches. It's going to look like this. You can make 1 chain, and you can cut the yarn and weave in the end. We're going to place the eyes on between round 5 and round 6, and to make the fangs we are going to use a white yarn, and we are going to make a little vertical stripe next to the eyes. And then to make the mouth we are going to use a black yarn, and we can just make it on top of the fangs. To make the ears we are going to start with a slip knot, so we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it there will be 2 lines. We're going to slide underneath the first one and hook into the second one. Then we're going to hold the tip of the yarn and we can just pull on both sides, and that is a slip knot. So we are going to insert the slip knot on between round 5 and round 6. We're going to make 3 chains. And we are going to skip the first chain, and on the second chain we are going to make a slip stitch. And then on the third chain we are going to make a single crochet. Then we are going to make another slip stitch. This time we're going to make it on between round 3 and round 4. And we are done with the first ear. We can cut the yarn and weave in the end. We are going to do the same thing for the other ears, but this time we are going to insert the slip knot on between round 3 and round 4. Make 3 chains. Skip the first chain and on the second chain make a slip stitch. On the third chain make a single crochet. Then we are going to make a slip stitch on between round 5 and round 6. And that is it for the second ear. We can cut the yarn and weave in the end. And that is basically it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!